is of the highest quality. The December 2016 convoy was largely contributed to by the Muslim community of Isilingo Beach and the Greater Durban area. Representatives of this community are here with the Al-Imdaad Foundation to follow the flour from the mill until the launch of the convoy. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reward the Muslim community for their contributions and make them a source of great benefit to the Syrian people. Jazakumullah khair.
All praise be to Allah, most gracious, most merciful. Salutations and greetings be upon our Prophet Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Through the infinite mercy of Allah, the Al-Imdaad team is present here in the city of Adana. We are loading 265 tons of flour. This is for the Flour4Syria project. This flour is being loaded on 10 trucks. It will be traveling in the convoy to the city of Nihandi, which is on the close border to Syria. From Nihandi, the trucks will then leave in a convoy right into Syria for the people of Syria. And we make dua that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept the effort, and we thank all our sponsors of Isilingo Beach and the surrounding Muslim community of Durban, South Africa for all the effort. We also make dua that it starts to be safely right into Syria for the people of Syria. Ameen.